What are the health benefits of drinking goat's milk over cow's milk? Goat's milk has several health benefits over cow's milk, making it a preferred choice for some people, especially those with digestive issues or dairy sensitivities. Here are the key advantages. 1. Easier to digest, smaller fat globules. Goat's milk has smaller fat molecules than cow's milk, making it easier to digest. Lower lactose. It contains slightly less lactose, which may be beneficial for those with mild lactose intolerance. Higher levels of medium-chain fatty acids. These are easier for the body to break down compared to the long-chain fatty acids found in cow's milk. 2. Less allergenic. A. 2-casein protein. Goat's milk contains mostly A2 casein, which is more digestible and less inflammatory than the A1 casein in cow's milk. A1 casein has been linked to digestive discomfort and inflammatory responses in some individuals. Lower alpha S1 casein. Goat's milk has significantly less alpha S1 casein, a protein associated with dairy allergies, making it a gentler option for sensitive individuals. 3. Better for gut health prebiotic oligosaccharides. Goat's milk contains beneficial prebiotics that support gut-friendly bacteria and improve digestion. Alkaline forming. Unlike cow's milk, which is slightly acidic, goat's milk is more alkaline, which may be better for balancing pH levels in the body. 4. Nutrient-rich and more bioavailable. Higher in certain minerals, calcium, similar to cow's milk but often better absorbed. Magnesium, supports muscle function and relaxation. Phosphorus, essential for bone and energy production. Higher vitamin A, supports immune function, vision and skin health. Better iron and zinc absorption, more bioavailable, meaning the body absorbs these nutrients more efficiently. 5. May reduce inflammation. Because it lacks A1 casein, which has been linked to inflammatory issues in some people, goat's milk may help reduce symptoms of digestive discomfort and inflammation-related conditions. 6. May support heart health. More medium-chain triglycerides, MCTs. These fatty acids are associated with improved metabolism and better heart health. Lower cholesterol impact. Some studies suggest that goat's milk may improve good cholesterol, HDL, while reducing bad cholesterol, LDL. 7. Less mucus producing. Some people find that cow's milk increases mucus production. Goat's milk may be a better alternative for those who experience this issue. 8. Naturally homogenized. Goat's milk does not require artificial homogenization because its fat molecules are naturally smaller and evenly distributed, reducing concerns about potential health risks linked to artificial homogenization in cow's milk. Who should consider drinking goat's milk? People with mild lactose intolerance, though it still contains lactose. Those with cow's milk sensitivity or digestive issues. Individuals with eczema, asthma, or allergies linked to cow's milk. Those looking for a nutrient-dense and easily digestible dairy alternative. Potential downsides: stronger taste. Some people find goat's milk has a distinctive taste that takes getting used to. Higher cost, usually more expensive than cow's milk. Availability, less common than cow's milk in many stores. Goats are raised on the pasture, and they are likely to consume a more nutritious diet than cows. Goats are natural foragers, and their diet is often more diverse and nutrient-rich compared to cows, which are typically raised on a more uniform diet of grasses and grains. Here's why this matters for both the quality of their milk and their overall health. 1. Goats are browsers, not just grazers. Unlike cows, which primarily graze on grasses, goats are browsers that eat a variety of plants, including shrubs, leaves, herbs, wildflowers, bark, weeds, fruits. This diverse diet provides a broader range of nutrients, including higher levels of phytonutrients, antioxidants, and medicinal plant compounds that can enhance the nutritional profile of their milk. 2. More access to nutrient-dense plants, greater vitamin and mineral intake. Because goats consume a mix of plants, their milk tends to have more vitamins A, D, E and K, as well as minerals like magnesium, zinc and iron. Higher omega-3 and CLA content. Studies show that grass-fed and pasture-raised animals produce milk with higher levels of omega-3 fatty acids and conjugated linoleic acid, CLA, both of which have anti-inflammatory and heart-healthy benefits. 3. Less exposure to artificial feed and GMOs. Many cows, especially in industrial dairy operations, are fed a diet consisting largely of corn and soy, often genetically modified, byproducts from grain mills, silage, fermented grains. These feeds may lack diversity and could contain pesticides, antibiotics, or hormones. Goats, however, thrive in pasture-based systems and are less likely to consume GMO feeds, leading to cleaner, more natural milk. 4. Fewer growth hormones and antibiotics. Large-scale dairy cows are often given growth hormones, such as RBGH, to increase milk production, which can introduce unwanted compounds into their milk. Because goats are naturally smaller producers of milk and are often raised on smaller farms or pasture-based systems, they are less likely to be given artificial hormones or excessive antibiotics. 5. More sustainable and ethical farming practices. Pasture-raised goats typically live in less crowded, more humane conditions, reducing stress and improving milk quality. Better digestion and gut health. A diverse plant-based diet leads to a healthier gut microbiome in goats, which can positively impact the quality of their milk. 6. Richer in beneficial enzymes and probiotics. Goats that roam freely and consume a more natural diet may produce milk richer in enzymes and probiotics, making it easier to digest. Alkaline properties. Unlike cow's milk, which can be more acidic, goat's milk is naturally more alkaline, making it gentler on the stomach. Because goats consume a wider range of plants, their milk often contains a broader spectrum of nutrients than cow's milk. Their natural diet, lower exposure to artificial feeds, and healthier farming conditions make goat's milk a nutrient-dense, digestible, and cleaner dairy option compared to conventional cow's milk.